Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add pivots to your TradingView chart. Pivots are a simple way to highlight potential support and resistance levels, helping you spot where price may react. This is particularly useful for both day traders looking to make quick decisions and for those analyzing higher time frames to understand broader market trends. Whether you're looking at the 5-minute chart or a weekly time frame, adding a pivot indicator takes just a few clicks, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any guesswork. First, look toward the top left area of your TradingView chart. There, you'll find the Indicators button. Depending on your layout, it might be labeled Indicators or shown as a small FX icon. Clicking this opens the Indicators and Strategies panel, which is where all the built-in tools and community scripts live. If your chart is in full screen, don't worry, the button still sits on the top toolbar. TradingView's layout is designed to be user-friendly, so even if you're working with a smaller screen, it's easy to access the tools you need. Make sure you have the chart you want to work on visible, then simply click the Indicators button to open the search window. With the panel open, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type the word pivot. This will filter the results to show pivot-related indicators. You'll notice a few common options, such as pivot point standard and pivot high/low. These are some of the most popular pivot indicators that traders use to spot key price levels. They're organized under built-ins and sometimes community scripts. The key here is to search for pivot so you can quickly find the indicator family you prefer. Don't worry if you're not sure which one is best right now. The search is simply there to help you locate them quickly, and you can always explore different ones later to see which view you like. Pivot point standard is great for traditional pivot points used in technical analysis, while pivot high/low can help you spot significant price highs and lows. It's worth trying out a few options to see which one suits your trading style the best. Once you see the pivot indicator you want, simply click it. The moment you do, TradingView will apply it directly to your chart. You'll notice horizontal levels appear across your price action. These are the pivots and their associated support and resistance lines. Depending on the indicator you chose, you might see levels labeled as P, S1, S2, R1, R2, and so on. These lines represent different levels of support, S, and resistance, R, based on the pivot calculation. P typically represents the central pivot point, while S1 and S2 are support levels, and R1 and R2 are resistance levels. These lines adjust as you change symbols or time frames, so you can keep analyzing consistently, no matter what market you're looking at. If the chart looks busy at first, that's normal. Pivots overlay on price to help you quickly reference levels without switching tools. They act as visual markers to show you where price may reverse or break through, so you don't need to constantly switch between charts or indicators. Many pivot indicators also have settings you can explore later, like changing the calculation method, for example using traditional, Fibonacci, or Woody's pivot formulas, or adjusting how many levels are displayed. But simply clicking the indicator is all you need to get started. If you find the chart too cluttered, you can always adjust the settings later to fit your needs. And that's it. You clicked the Indicators button, searched for pivot indicators, and selected the one you wanted. Done. Now you can read your chart with clear, structured levels and make more informed decisions with far less clutter. Pivot points are a fantastic tool to add to your trading toolbox, as they help simplify your analysis and give you a clearer picture of potential price movements. Happy charting, and thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need more help, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'm happy to help you make the most out of TradingView.